enjoy the video? If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.
This mudra is effective in many problems of women. Many health benefits can be obtained by doing mudras regularly. Today we are going to tell you about Yoni Mudra, which is good for women's health. If you want to get many other benefits along with improving your fertility, then definitely include this mudra in your fitness routine. Both the words included in Yoni Mudra are derived from Sanskrit. Yoni means womb, which refers to the reproductive system of a woman, and mudra means gesture of fingers and thumb of the hand. This mudra can be done to improve the reproductive system in women. Also, this mudra has a positive effect on polycystic ovarian syndrome, hypothyroidism, heart diseases, immune system, as well as the brain. Do you want to improve your fertility? Do you want healthy menopause? Do you want to be full of energy throughout the day? So include Yoni Mudra in your fitness routine. Yes, mudras are one of the techniques that balance the 5 elements in our body. Mudras also balance the 3 doshas in the body, i.e. Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Yoni Mudra is a special type of mudra which helps in getting a baby-like mind. Just as a child in the womb remains calm away from the outside world, similarly the woman doing this mudra ignores the troubles of the outside world and experiences a state of bliss. Before doing this mudra, consult an expert once. Method of Yoni Mudra. To do this,
first of all, sit in any comfortable posture, Sukhasana or Va Junior Asana, in which you can sit for a long time. Your spine should be absolutely straight as you keep it in every meditation. For this posture also you have to make the same posture. To do this posture, the posture of your hands should be exactly as you can see on this screen. Your neck and shoulders should also be straight. Your body and mind should be stress-free, keeping your waist straight. Join your palms together and then cross and join the fingers, exactly as shown on the screen. Now join your index finger and also join your thumb, exactly as shown on the screen. Now, by making a similar posture, take your hands near your navel or a little below it, wherever you feel comfortable. Now, sitting in this posture, control your breath. See it coming and going.
Benefits of Yoni Mudra for women. This is beneficial yoga for the uterus and improves fertility. Practicing this mudra is considered the best exercise for women. It is helpful in controlling hormonal imbalance and keeping the reproductive system of women healthy. Yoni Mudra helps a woman connect with her inner feminine energy. Yoni Mudra is related to the womb and menstrual cycle. It strengthens the prana in the womb, therefore, it is very beneficial during periods. Many forms of Yoni Mudra have been developed by combining the 5 earth elements present in the fingers. It keeps you stress-free. This mudra is also very beneficial for our nervous system. It increases concentration. At the same time, it also gives us inner peace. Yoni Mudra is spiritually good. Doing this gives you a feeling of peace and it increases self-confidence.